Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into a revolutionary development in the mirrorless camera world that's shaking the foundations of hybrid photography and videography. Canon has been silent for over 2 years, but that silence has just been shattered by something truly groundbreaking. Introducing the Canon EOS R6 Mark III, a next-gen hybrid mirrorless camera that doesn't just refine its predecessor, it reinvents what creators should expect in performance: speed and cinematic flexibility. Canon's mirrorless evolution hits a new peak for incremental updates. The EOS R6 Mark III isn't just a slightly tweaked version of the R6 Mark II, it's a full-scale upgrade that's tailored for hybrid creators, professional videographers, run-and-gun content creators, and anyone pushing the limits of what's possible, with a full-frame camera. Let's start with what's at the heart of the beast: a 24.2mm P-stacked CMOS sensor, rumored to be based on the same high-performance architecture as Canon's flagship EOS R3. This isn't just a spec sheet number, it's a sensor that's been battle-tested in the pro world, and now refined for a broader, yet still high-level, user base. Speed, precision, and zero rolling shutter with a stacked design, the Canon R6 Mark III reads out image data faster than your eye can blink, making it nearly impossible to introduce rolling shutter artifacts, even during high-speed motion. Whether you're capturing a BMX rider mid-flip in slow-mo or a fashion shoot under neon city lights, this camera locks onto details with surgical precision and zero distortion. Combine that with Canon's new dual-image processing system, pairing the familiar Digic X processor with the newer Digic accelerator, and you've got an engine that fuels real-time subject tracking, high-speed burst shooting, and intelligent auto-exposure decisions all at once, without lag or compromise. Next gen. Autofocus powered by deep learning. Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 is already legendary. But now, enhanced with deep learning AI, the R6 Mark III tracks not just human faces and eyes, but also birds, animals, vehicles, and even aircraft, making it ideal for wildlife photography, motorsport coverage, or fast-paced documentary work. At speeds up to 40 FPS, this is one of the fastest full-frame autofocus systems in any camera under $5,000. Think of it as predictive AI autofocus. It doesn't just follow your subject, it anticipates their movement. Cinema-grade video in your backpack. If you're in video production, this section will blow your mind. The R6 Mark III is expected to oversample 6K footage into Cinema 4K, preserving sharpness and color accuracy across every pixel, with no crop, and that's huge for filmmakers. Need cinematic slow motion? Expect up to 4K at 120 FPS, buttery smooth. Add 10-bit 4.2.2 internal recording with Canon Log 3, and you've got grading flexibility that was once reserved for high-end cinema rigs. That's not even counting support for cinema raw light via external recorders for full 6K raw workflows. Perfect for indie filmmakers and commercial videographers. Imagine filming a travel vlog on the cliffs of Santorini or capturing wedding moments in ultra-slow motion. The Canon EOS R6 Mark III gives you DSLR ease with red-level power, built-in stabilization. That rivals Gimbal's. Canon's 8.5-stop in-body image stabilization has evolved yet again. With tighter synchronization between lens and body, handheld shooting now mimics stabilized rigs, even if you're walking, running, or filming from a moving vehicle. Think of this as creative freedom untethered. No more carrying extra gear just to get smooth footage. The camera itself becomes your portable production. House.Pro grade ergonomics and connectivity. Canon has also taken feedback from creators seriously. The R6 Mark III features a redesigned multi-angle touchscreen, now with expanded articulation, perfect for vlogging, vertical content, or low-angle cinematic shots. A brighter OLED EVF ensures accurate previews even in direct sunlight. The body is rugged and slightly heavier, giving it that pro-level durability needed for extreme weather or long shoots. Inside, you'll find dual card slots, CF Express, Type B+, UHS 2, SD full-size HDMI, 3 USB-C with power delivery mic, and headphone jacks. Smartly positioned Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth for quick sharing and remote control. Whether you're live streaming from a studio or sending footage directly to your editor, the R6 Mark III integrates seamlessly into every production workflow. A hybrid shooter's dream tool. Let's say you're a wedding filmmaker. You need to capture 2,000 high-res stills and create a cinematic highlights reel before the next morning. The Canon EOS R6 Mark III is built exactly for that one camera. Dual purpose, no compromises. Or maybe you're a YouTube creator chasing that next viral travel video. With oversampled 6K footage, 10-bit internal color, and full sensor width, you're not just recording content, you're capturing emotional, immersive storytelling. It's also ideal for indie filmmakers who can't afford high-end cinema rigs, but still want to shoot something festival-worthy. With internal Clog 3, raw output, and pro audio support, you can now create short films, music videos, or product commercials without renting 10K plus equipment. So, is this the ultimate mirrorless hybrid? Canon has made it clear, the EOS R6 Mark III is not just another release. It's a message. A declaration that the future of hybrid shooting isn't in massive rigs or complicated workflows. It's in smart, powerful, versatile tools that creators can carry with them. This isn't for the casual, point-and-shoot user. It's for those of you grinding out videos every week, for creators pushing the limits of what mirrorless cameras can do, for professionals who want cinematic quality without breaking the bank. Final thoughts. Are you ready for the leap? The Canon EOS R6 Mark III is shaping up to be the best camera for content creators in 2025, especially for hybrid shooters who need flexibility, power, and reliability in a single package.